I'm having difficulty in cutting the cord. Please help me with
cutting
that.
She's having
the cord.
difficulty in cutting the cord.
With my attachment to my family, to my children, I get very easily disturbed by what happens within my close circle. Please help me with that.
Oh, I never said you must cut the cord. I'm just telling you, unfortunately, your motherly cord is too limited right now. Just expand it a little bit. Just make it connect to every piece of life on this planet, rather than just to a handful. Beautiful. Why do you want to cut your cord? Where is the reason to cut your cord? The reason why… See, please understand this, there is a difference between involvement and entanglement. If you do not know involvement, you will never know life. The only way to know life is with involvement. If you are not involved, would you know anything? Forget about spirituality. Would you know anything in your life if you're not involved? The only way to know anything in your life is with involvement. What is lacking in people is lack of involvement. So, when involvement becomes discriminatory, it becomes entanglement. Let your involvement become indiscriminate. The earth that you walk upon, the food that you eat, the water that you drink, the air that you breathe, and the very space in which you exist. See if you can absolutely involve yourself with everything. Because the life that you are involved. If you are not involved with the air that you breathe, you would be dead, isn't it? You are anyway involved. You just have to become conscious that this is the only way life happens. You have to see that you're consciously involved. Right now you're unconsciously involved. If you're unconsciously involved, it looks like one big burden. If you're consciously involved, it'll become blissful. Is your life right now… Do you know scientifically today we can prove every subatomic particle in your body is right now in communication with the whole cosmos. Such a big phenomena, you're trying to ignore, that is your crime. You bearing your children, being married, that is not your crime. Your crime is you're trying to ignore such a big phenomena, which is the basis of your life and creation. Because you ignore that, you suffer. Not because you're involved with your family, you suffer. Because you're trying to ignore something so big. Right now your life is like this. Is it true that today sun came up on time for the season? Yes? Planet is spinning on time, flowers blossomed, everything in these many galaxies is happening absolutely perfectly well. But you have one nasty thought crawling through your head and it's a bad day. You don't have a perspective of who you are. You think too much of yourself. If you… See, right now your whole experience of life is limited to the physical form that you are. As a physical form, what are you in this cosmos, tell me? In your home you may be something, on the street not much, in the town nothing, in the cosmos you're not even a speck of dust. Please get the perspective right. As a physical existence, you're really nothing, isn't it? If you understand this, you would know, you would look at everything with absolute wonder and involvement. Then, one little thought, one little emotion that is flowing through your mind wouldn't be important because it's not even a concern. It is something that you are creating, isn't it? What's happening in your mind is your making. Yes or no? Can I tell you a bad joke? A lady went to sleep. In her sleep, she had a dream. In her dream, she saw a hunk of a man standing there, staring at her. He started coming closer and closer and closer and closer. He came so close, she could even feel his breath, and she trembled, not in fear. And then she asked, "What will you do to me?" The man said, "Well, lady, it's your dream." So, What is happening in your head is your bloody dream, isn't it? Now your problem is not that life is not happening the way you want it, even your bloody dream is not happening the way you want it. This is your problem. At least let the dreams happen the way you want it. The world doesn't happen the way you want it, that's different. If your dream happened the way you want it, you would be still joyful, isn't it?
I hope you got your answer, ma'am.